Welcome. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Today, on this 26th day of December, we honor and celebrate the memory of Saint Stephen, the first martyr. And today, rather than focus on Stephen himself, which is usually what happens on this day, or focus on St. Paul, who participated in the stoning of St. Stephen, I want to turn your attention to the crowd that had gathered. They were made up of the synagogue of freedmen, Cyrenians, and Alexandrians. And when Stephen proclaimed the goodness of God, when he proclaimed a truth to them that they didn't want to hear, these men became angry, so angry that they stoned Stephen to death. And so my question to us all today is, how do we react when we hear an uncomfortable truth? When we're jolted out of our own comfort zone by something that someone says that may be true, but that we really don't want to hear? Do we become angry? Do we become defensive? We probably are not going to physically stone that person, but do we hurl verbal stones at them in order to injure them and to protect ourselves? I suggest that maybe we take a different approach, that we listen to that uncomfortable truth, that we take it in, that we even consider changing our lives, even though it may be difficult. So this Feast of St. Stephen is an opportunity for us to listen to those who speak uncomfortable truths and to react not defensively, but to react with openness. Thank you so much for watching today.